Does it look like I don't brush my hair? Because I don't. So let me think here. I forgot my light. Wow, look at that. So much better. Okay. Are absolutely stunning. I think I'm taking the M433 and we're gonna just dip into this dark green color in the James Charles Morphe palette. Right there. And I guess I'll just go in. We're gonna go into the corner. Really, oh, I look scary. So this shade, this dark green one in the James Charles Morphe palette is called Daddy. I have only used this color like once so far, and it was for St. Patrick's Day. I really like the palette. Truthfully, it's the only palette I've really used since I got it in the mail. Okay, well, this is what it looks like right now. Next, M431, which is a little bullet crease brush. I'm gonna dip that back in the dark green color and kind of outline a little bit where my crease is gonna go. The Morphe M506. It is also a crease brush, but I'm not going to be using it for that. Okay, this light green color here at the bottom, called Social Blade. We're just right next to the edge of that. We're gonna go right in there and just get her on there. Alright, and we're just gonna pat that on there. And then we are gonna grab the MAC 221. Oh, I can't tell if that's focused. This is essentially just a smaller version of the Morphe 433 that I went in on the corners. I am going to go in with a teeny bit of that Social Blade and just blend it out a little bit on the edges so that it isn't so harsh. Then we're going to go in a little bit more with Daddy, the dark green color, and just kind of get these corners here deepen them up a little bit. Let's go in with the Morphe 421, my favorite concealer brush ever. So we are gonna dip into MAC Painterly Pot. Put it on the very edge of my eyelid. And so here's how you get a perfect crease every single time. Go in, get a little bit of the really thick concealer. Go in, do a little line here. You just, and then the line that it creates, you just follow it. The Stila Golden Girl liquid eyeshadow. Just go in with her. And paint some gold on there. So now that that's done, I am just going to go in with a clean MAC 286. It looks pink because it's stained. A MAC 286 blending brush. We're going to let this glitter dry down a little bit. But I'm going to dip into Social Blade, again, the light green color in the Morphe X James Charles palette. And I'm just going to kind of dab that there on the edge. And then we're going to go in with Daddy. Okay. And back in with Daddy. I take the Morphe M213. We're going to take her and we're going to dip into Daddy. Starting from the outer corner and working our way in, we're going to smoke out that lower lash line with the dark green. Okay. I am just going to wipe away the fallout with the Morphe 527 brush. Now we're going to go in with the eyeliner. They're even. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Sunset Boulevard Morphe lashes on. And we're just gonna highlight our brow bone. The Pro Small Shadow Brush. I think it's brush number 15. And I am going to go into the James Charles X Morphe palette again. And let's pick up this color here. called Face, because she's going on my face. Spray it down with some Urban Decay Oil Control Setting Spray. I hear my husband laughing. How dare he? There you go.